The CLT Life presents 5 Charlotte Homes I'd Love to Sell with your host, Jimmy Grappone. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jimmy here with JPAR Carolina Living. I hope you're having a great day today. I want to go through and show you 5 amazing listings in the Charlotte area. So let's get to it. Thanks in advance for watching this video. If you could do us a huge favor and subscribe to our channel, it would help us tremendously. Thanks a lot. Alright, so the first house we're going to look at today is 3904 Sparrow Way Court. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home in Monroe, North Carolina. Just about 1,400 square feet. This one's listed for $318,500. Full brick all the way around. Nice porch with a pergola over top. Vaulted ceilings in the great room. And there's the great room. Wood-burning fireplace, I believe. Dining room right here. And here's the primary bedroom, which is carpeted. Got a tub and a shower in the primary bathroom. And we're almost through. There's a wash machine. There's a nice view of the back of the house. This one is on well and septic, and there's a propane tank in the backyard. Looks lovely in the spring. Obviously, these pictures were taken when there were leaves on the trees. This might be a more current picture right here. And there it is. So it's pretty cool. It's almost within a fortress of trees right here. So very private. All right. So that is the first house of our tour. Number 2, 8901 Clavemorr Glenn Court. This one's listed for $1.45 million, 4,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms. I believe it's 5.5 baths as well. Let's take a look at this one. This one's really cool because it has an amazing backyard. Really nice curb appeal here though too. I love those shots taken at dusk. It's all brick with some stone as well. You've got the extra car bay right there, which you'll see how they use it is very nice. Nice landscaping and approach to the house. Nice hardwood floors. They've got a really cool curved staircase going up. Living room there, butler's pantry with the wine refrigerator. Really nice coffered ceilings with the wallpaper on top. And a really open kitchen with a huge island. I love the gray cabinets and the white quartzite countertops, and I love the backsplash here as well. They even have that that faucet that you can pull out for the pot, so you don't have to walk over to the sink. It's a very nice chef's kitchen right here. It'll be all about this one right here. And a cool little area for doing homework or paying the bills. Laundry room, drop zone, bedrooms. There's a loft upstairs, bedroom, primary owner suite. There's a primary bath, nice walk-in shower and tub, walk-in closets with built-ins, guest room, guest bath. Really cool. So here's that. Let me go back just real quick, just to show you all the design on this accent wall. So they've got stuff, character like that throughout. This is really cool. This is that third bay in the garage. They've got a bathroom and a gym set up out here. And now this is my favorite part of the house. You've got the back patio, covered porch, nice patio with an outdoor kitchen. This is actually artificial turf. It's not real grass, so it stays green year round. And a beautiful saltwater pool. This is the dream backyard, folks. And this is just, there I have some more pictures showing just some of the things in the area. All right, here we go. House number 3, 6724 Fairhope Court. This one is in Hunter's Gate, also in Union County, and 5 bedrooms, 3,220 square feet. Let's take a look at it. It's an all brick 4-sided home. Hardwood floors downstairs. This looks like the living room here. Open kitchen. This is a beautiful back screen porch in the backyard, and this actually reminds me of my in-laws' screen porch that they had at their previous house. You got the stairs going up from the front door, gray carpeting, crown moldings, and a lot of the rooms downstairs, which is really nice. Pretty much everywhere except for the kitchen, it looks like. Kitchen island, stainless appliances, dining room. And let's see, here's the powder room downstairs, owner's bedroom. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks a lot. Primary bedroom. Really nice walk-in shower with a tub, all tiled up. And obviously, if you want to see any of these pictures, there's a bonus room upstairs, laundry. If you want to see any of these, and here's the backyard. There's a nice view of the screen porch. Yeah, if you want to see any of these pictures for longer, obviously you can pause this video and look at them a little bit longer. You can also reach out to me directly, or you can go on my website, jimmygrappone.com, and you can look up the same houses there. All right, so let's go on to the next one. I'm going to skip the fourth one and go to the fifth, and then we'll come back and you'll see why. This one's 9252 Raintree Lane. It's in the Raintree community in South Charlotte. And this is a golf course community. This is on, I think it's at the 16th hole of the South course. I'm not 100% sure, but this house was built in '79. It's been really updated. Here's a view of the golf course here. It's really been updated on the inside. Nice pad or back deck, backyard fence. You have a teal door right here. I know on the video it's going to end up looking a little more blue, but trust me, it's a teal door. Stone hearth with a wooden mantle and two sliding doors looking out at the backyard and the golf course. And really nice, really cool loft area with the stairs going up. It's a cool layout. And the decorations, the furniture in here, it's very modern, very minimalistic, which I enjoy. White subway tile, white cabinets, and white counters in the kitchen. Yeah, this looks like another living area. The treadmill, chair, hangout area with the TV. This looks like their main living area, and this is the primary bedroom, I believe. Some secondary bedrooms. And here's the loft upstairs. View of Charlotte. So uptown Charlotte's about 20-25 minutes away from the Raintree subdivision. And you can live next to a roundhouse. How about that? All right, lots of aerial shots. Now on to the final house. 1118 Seminole Drive, Fort Mill, South Carolina. This one's in the Firethorn community, which is actually straddles North and South Carolina. This house happens to be in South Carolina. Let's blow this image up. And actually, blown up, you miss out. There's a basketball court down here. I think we might get another view. It's a 3-story home. This one's listed for just under $4 million. There you go. Here's a big aerial view. You've got the Cabana House here, the main house here, covered patio, swimming pool, and basketball court that also has a tennis court. You can play bocce on it. And it's on the golf course right here. So really nice. And it's on a cul-de-sac lot. You have the round circular driveway as well. And hey, look off in the distance. You've got the Queen City as well. This also, even though it's in South Carolina, it's really in South Charlotte, location-wise. So about 25 minutes or so to uptown. Here's the Cabana House. So this is not even the main house. And check out the kitchen, and this is the pool house, basically. Really, really beautiful. Love those copper ceilings again. Look at just the glass windows. Basically, it's a glass wall, so you can see right into the outside. All right, here's the entryway into the main house. Family room, powder room, dining room, formal dining room, fireplace over here. And just lots of great detail, craftsmanship in the house. As you can see, there's an office. Check out that desk. That's pretty cool. That is a substantial desk. I don't know if the desk comes with the house. Definitely matches the style and the aesthetic of the house, though. Right, here's the primary bathroom. Looks like you have 2 showers. How many bathrooms do you know with 2 showers? primary bedroom, a little lookout area right here. Romeo and Juliet balcony. Another bedroom. This house, I think, has 8 or 9 bedrooms. No, 8 bedrooms and 9, maybe 8.5 bathrooms. Here's a movie theater with theater seating, stadium seating. So who needs to go to the movies when you got this, right? Another bonus room. I mean, this house just goes on and on and on and on. I imagine you would probably get lost in it. And it's 3 stories tall, but if you don't want to go up and down the steps, there's an elevator. So you can just hop in there. You go up and down the steps. So there it is, folks. There's a tour of 5 homes. I tried to do it in 5 minutes. I don't think I quite made it in that amount of time. But here's the summary of these homes right here. We got 3904 Sparrow Way Court, 8901 Clavemorr Glenn Court, 6724 Fairhope Court, 1118 Seminole Drive, and 9252 Raintree Lane. Folks, if you have questions about any of these properties or any others about the Charlotte area, give me a call. I'd love to have a conversation with you. Here's my contact info right here, 704-313-8514. You can email me at jimmygrappone@jpar.net or jimmygrapponerealtor@gmail.com. That's where this one gets forwarded. And then my website, jimmygrappone.jpar.com. You can actually just drop the JPAR, jimmygrappone.com, and it forwards to that site as well. So thank you so much for taking a few minutes to watch this video with me, and I look forward to doing more. Take care.